the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens.
Good morning, guys. Okay. Welcome to another video. And wait, patayin ko lang yung lights kasi medyo yan, mas maayos. So it's our second day here in Palawan and our actually first whole day in El Nido, and I'm very excited. And also look at this amazing view. Wait. We woke up to this amazing view. This is so pretty. And I guess there's gonna be more. And so cute. And yeah, yung harap namin. We never really noticed this last night. I just noticed it when I peeped on the window, and it's very pretty and it's so surreal. As in, grabe. I turned on the AC again kasi biglang uminit na. So Dom is actually getting ready. I'm done getting ready. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. Here is my outfit for the day. This I think I got from Divisoria way back, and this top is from Shopee. So wait, dadaan si Dom. Good morning to El Nido. Ayun nga.
Diba?
Shit.
Holy fuck, doon na nga yung shore.
Okay, yung dalawa pang dalawang manol. Amaze.
Sakto lang yung dry bag na dalawa.
Oo nga. Hindi, pero gusto ko rin bumili ng dry bag na maliit. Yung parang ano lang. Just going around kasi later hindi na kayo makakalakad sa area namin ng morning kasi mag-ocular sila for work. Ang ganda diyo. Kain na.
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own it. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of the burdens. It's been there, you'll be searching. Take a load off.
Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's so pretty here. Yan. Ang ating engineer, in-examine na po niya ang mga bagay-bagay. Sabi ko yung engineer nag-i-inspect na ng mga bagay-bagay.
Filtration siya na eh. Filtration pump. Punta dito.
So, filtered yung water natin.
Medyo filtered, pero walang reverse osmosis.
Wow, ayan na po. So pretty. It's so hot though. You can see the shore there. And this is the mountains.
Picture natin ah.
Yeah, sige, wait na. Picture lang daw.
No te conozco, pero ya muero por hablarte. No, no, no. En algún lugar te he visto, pero no te acordaste. Quiero que voy a ver mentiras en el Insta y pierde la timidez. Yeah. Tengo que confesarte que en mis sueños te he probado. Te imaginé en terrenos con tu bikini apretado. Qué rico negra como se te ve. ¿Cuándo será el día que yo te tendré? Quizás en años, tal vez en un mes. No lo sé, no lo sé. Y verás destellos cuando te ves el cuello. Lirios en tu cabello te adornan como una diosa. Pa' serte sincero, dormir ya no puedo. Desvelado te espero con un ron y un par de prosas. No, no, llenarte la cama de rosas. No, no, recorrerte como las olas. No, no, sé que
We are here at Leo Beach today. Dom is together with Sir AJ, and I'm just going around here by myself. Just watch the beach. So pretty. This is Leo Beach, by the way.
What's that? Woo! Cool! Hi! You guys... Sige, sige. Go closer. Hey!
Wala na.
Kala ko ba Makati ka lang? Bakit dito? She influenced me. Are you a big coffee drinker?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, so we'll be roasting with him actually.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I kept telling him El Union coffee in La Union is really nice.
Oh, exactly. So now we'll have a display rack.
How about you? Tayo na lang. Saan tayo? Di?
Nakpan Beach. So,
Tour guide.
Almost 15 to 20 kilometers siya dun sa pinuntahan namin, dun sa mismong accommodation namin. Then pumunta kami sa isang beach din, Leo Beach.
Leo Beach.
So pagmamayari siya ni Ayala. Then from Leo Beach, Nakpan Beach siya.
Oh wow, it's pretty. Actually, hindi ako naka-swimsuit eh. Ba't pala nag-swimsuit din ako today? Hey po.
Nakakot po. Baka gusto mag-rent ng umbrella.
Hey po.
Libot po muna kami.
Oh wow, ito pala yung may ATV dito.
So dun pa daw yung Akla pala.
Hindi ko muna. We are now heading to Angkla for lunch. Mamaya maglalakad kami dyan sa tubig. Pero bukas yung pinaka-island hopping namin. For today and yesterday, work muna siya. Oh, blueberry and mango.
That we had to skip a couple of stops. Go to different ones. Yeah, it's crazy. It's good though. Yeah. Or guess now. Yeah. It's got butter liver there. It's not great. You know what? While I'm here.
Yung isang sign.
Cool.
Kasi dun makayusin na. Dun gumagawa. So yung mga para dito, dun gagawin.
Favorite ko kayo. Pero sobrang refreshing. Good smoothie.
Ito naman yung baksakan ng pier. Yung
Okay.
mga batel, mga boats galing Manila.
Okay.
Oh.
Ha? Kung meron mga truck mo yan yan mamaya. Hindi, wala pang isang minuto. It's okay. Let's go, let's go. Come here, pull over.
Actually, cloudy ngayon eh. Okay, walang cloud.
El Nido High School ba?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Pero huwag niyo nang hanapin.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and fill the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. He's taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for